Ethiopia, for example, they're already poor.
But like for taxes,
but they still need to bear the responsibility of their carbon emissions.
you guys are.
So one thing is that we have donated a lot of money on.
Delegate, the time for this Amma has last, please resume your seat.
Calm down, don't fight. Calm
It's not only
down.
for us. A better planet is not only for us developing
And by the way, so you drove a car today and you hit me. And I wasn't able to function as a normal person. So I was in the hospital. But now you're telling me to do something. You do something in return. But she was in the hospital. Pay for my feet. You guys stay in the hospital.
Calm
We're
down.
on the same page. We're not.
Yeah, you're
I'm
not
not
the
saying
same
your
with us.
fault. It's not your fault. As for,
Yes,
it's not the penalty actually. The carbon tax is not actually. This tax is not a.
Only as an environmental crisis, but as one of the greatest health emergency of our time. It rests on three pillars: equity, because it leads to responsibilities patients suffer the most; cooperation, because no
That suggests because we discuss on how would we like to enhance the current financial system we propose, such as cost war, and we could potentially work together for a